the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A51 for Sprint. So the Galaxy A51 is now here on Sprint. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range Samsung phone on Sprint, the Galaxy A51 is worth taking a look at here. So the Galaxy A51 is available in black and available in 128GB. It's available in 128GB. So it's configuration. So pretty cool. This phone is $10 a month on the Sprint Flex plan. So it's really nice there. So the price for the full price of this phone is $399.99. So right there, $399.99 for retail price. So not bad mid-range phone here. So this is what the phone looks like. Of course, you guys have your power and battery case on the right side of the phone there, your hole punch for the front facing camera, and then you have this nice looking wallpaper here, very colorful, bright, and all that good stuff. Here's the back of the Galaxy A51. You do have your forward camera system there on the back with your camera flash. It does have the same camera layout like it would say on the Galaxy S20 smartphone. You do have Samsung logo on the back. It's available in black, like I said. But it looks like a different. It's like a whole bunch of colors on the back here, but it's in black. So if it's like might be a glossy back to it. So that's what it looks like in the back. But it is black, alright. So it looks like it's a whole bunch of colors, but it's black, alright. There it is. Again from the back side, and then there's the back there fully there. Like I said, the forward camera system on the back with the camera flash. Samsung logo, so yeah. So the Galaxy A51 has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, so it has a big ass display on there. All-day battery, quadruple camera, fingerprint sensor, and fast charging. Of course, that's a win. So I'm not gonna be taking no feet. We're gonna be taking a look at it. The features of this phone here. Like I said, the phone is a mid-range phone. That's a pretty nice phone. Looks very nice in my opinion. Back of the phone looks like the Galaxy S20. So if you guys are like that, so yeah. So introducing the Galaxy A51. Experience the features you've been waiting for with the Samsung Galaxy A51. Take crisp pics and flawlessly smooth video with the 48-megapixel quad camera, equipped with the super steady optical image stabilization mode. Immerse yourself in a space of 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen, powered by a long-lasting battery and fast-charging battery as well. Power to keep you going. Scroll, snap, and share with a fast-charging battery that retains power throughout the day. Like I said, it has big battery, 4,000 mAh battery, so it's a big-ass battery. Pro-grade camera shots and just a snap. Capture pro-level photos with the tap of a finger, from epic landscape shots and dramatic portraits to macro angles that reveal intricate textures and detail. This impressive quad camera has a lens for whatever inspires you, and they give you guys what lens does what. So you have a 48-megapixel main camera on back with the f2.0 aperture lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera there, a 5-megapixel depth sensing camera with the f2.2 aperture lens, and then you guys will have a 5-megapixel macro camera with the f2.4 lens. So Pretty cool there. Crisp, colorful, and captivating. Dive into edge-to-edge color with an expansive 6.5-inch Infinity O display featuring a Super AMOLED screen that brings cinematic clarity right to your fingertips. Smooth, stable shots. Take remarkable smooth video of fast-moving action and crisp Ultra HD quality. Its top-notch stability makes photos and videos look super smooth with minimal blur. So this phone has a lot of features on it. For it being a mid-range phone, it has a lot of features on it. It looks very nice, and specs on her are pretty damn good for a mid-range phone. Specs on this phone, like I said, 4,000 mAh battery. The battery does not remove, so you keep in mind you also do fast charging with this phone as well. There's a Bluetooth profiles there. The dimensions of the Galaxy A51 are 6.24 inches in height, 2.90 inches in width, and 0.31 inches in depth. Alright. You have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display that is 1080 by 2400 pixels Super AMOLED display. You have a capacitive keyboard, of course. It's all touchscreen there. 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of RAM with a microSD card expansion up to 512 GB. Android 10 with Samsung One UI 2.0. 5-core. You have an octa-core processor on this phone. You have an Exynos 9611 processor, so that's pretty cool. With 20 hours of talk time, and the phone weighs 6.7 ounces. And what you guys get in the box of the Galaxy A51 is the Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone. USB 2.0 cable was probably a Type-C charger, which I'm hoping that it is a Type-C cable. Charger and brick, important information booklet, and SIM card is installed on the phone. So, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A51 is now available at Sprint for $10 a month for 18 months on the Sprint Flex plan, or $399.99 for retail price for this phone. So if you guys are looking for a mid-range Samsung smartphone on Sprint, the Galaxy A51 is worth checking out. It's a nice looking phone that has great specs for what it is, a mid-range smartphone. It's a really nice looking phone. It looks like the Galaxy S20, but cheaper. So yeah, very nice phone, great specs for what it is. And yeah, it's worth checking it out. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's now a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.